Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on notifications in the Find My app on your iPhone. So you don't miss important alerts like friend requests, tracking notifications, or location updates. Let's get started. First, open the Find My app on your iPhone. Once you're in, look at the bottom of the screen and tap on the Me tab. This is where all your personal settings are located. So you can swipe it up to see the full view. Now scroll down until you see the notification section. Here you'll find a few important options. So the first one is allow friend requests. Make sure this is turned on so you'll get notified when someone wants to share their location with you. So as you can see, mine is already enabled. Next, tap on Customize Find My Notifications. Inside the section, make sure notifications are enabled. Depending on your iPhone settings, you can choose how you want to receive alerts, like on your lock screen, as banners, or with sound. So it's a good idea to turn on all alert types so you don't miss anything important. After that, go back and tap on Customize Tracking Notifications. So this part is really important for safety. Here you can enable alerts if an unknown device is detected moving with you. So turn this on so your iPhone can notify you if something unusual is happening. Now there's one more step to make sure everything works properly. So close the Find My app and open your iPhone settings. Scroll down and tap on Notifications. Now, once you tap notifications, scroll down and look for Find My app. Tap on that. Make sure Allow Notifications is turned on. Also, enable lock screen, notification center, and banners. You can also turn on sound so you'll hear alerts instantly. If these are turned off, you won't receive notifications even if everything inside the app is enabled. And that's it. Now you've successfully turned on notifications for Find My on your iPhone. Thank you for watching.